Dave.
Alrighty,
See,
let's
see,
lock. Let's lock.
Alright,
Look,
let's
Dave,
go.
look.
Let's
Lock
do
the
it,
freaking,
boys.
lock the freaking.
Dave,
I'm at doors.
Dave,
I'm at
look
Lock
at
it,
doors.
my
my
Go,
boy.
Dave, go.
Dave, look at my screen, brother.
Shut up,
This
Dracon. I'm
red,
playing the game.
redhead, a person with reddish hair. What is on your mind, brother?
That's what my cousin told me.
Wait, I'm gonna try glitching Freddy. I'm gonna try again.
Kill
I'm gonna
yourself.
sacrifice one life.
Bro, Foxy, Foxy. Oh my god, fuck.
Alright.
I'm gonna sacrifice one life for the glitch.
Bro, why Foxy so fast?
Okay, I might need some help at the canal because I lag.
Got it?
Someone
Yup.
needs to
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
I-
Come here, boy.
Kia, we need Foxy.
I already did.
Fox
I
is a
already
problem
did. I
right
already
now.
did.
Alright, he already did. Let me check, let me.
Is the oxygen
No,
good?
I hear
Is
Bonnie,
the
I hear
oxygen
Bonnie,
good?
I hear Bonnie, I hear Bonnie.
Ready,
Bonnie,
boys.
wait.
Ready.
Hab will be mission control. I'll be
David,
door.
you good? David, you good?
Yeah,
I'm
Chica's
checking the cam right now.
Yo,
bro.
check the freaking
All clear, all
generators.
clear.
Okay, all
Power's
clear, all
full,
clear.
Oxygen's full.
Okay, Foxy's back now. Foxy's back now.
Foxy's here? Foxy's here? I'll rewind.
Oh, Foxy's back now. Foxy's
Oh,
back
okay.
to stay now. Okay. Ready.
We're about to hit 2 a.m. Power's still fine.
Is it
Wait,
good? Is
Bonnie
it? There's
here,
no
Bonnie's
red
still
dots.
here,
There's no
Bonnie's still
red
in
dots.
S-way.
No red dots, zero.
Oh, Foxy's back. Foxy's back.
And Foxy guns again.
Foxy's back.
Get ready, boys. Foxy's here.
Tell me when he's here.
Close it on space.
I'm in there, cause I'll rewind.
hear
I'll
you,
rewind. I'll rewind.
Go rewind him, bro.
on my back. Generators, I could use some help.
And
Wait,
swing.
I'm trying to rewind this.
The front. Foxy's here. Oh my god.
I'm trying to listen for him. If I react too late, we're dead.
Being so
I see him. I see him moving.
Oh,
there.
dude.
I see movie on the west hallway right here, bro. Close the door. Oh my
Got you,
God.
buddy. Got
Close
you,
the
buddy.
door, bro.
Got you, buddy. Got you, buddy. Oh! Let's go.
Did you?
Foxy, we need Foxy wound up. We need Foxy.
Already did. I'm good.
Okay.
He's
Alright. Oh my god, bro.
No!
Are you kidding me? Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Wait, who got you?
Foxy, you said he was gone.
I did. I rewinded. The box is
Bro,
gone.
you-
The
you
box
went-
is gone.
No. I think I aggroed him.
Bro, power goes down. The power goes
Is the
down
power
right
good? Do you need help, David?
Power is
No.
on like 3 bars.
now. 3 bar right
Do you
now.
need help, David?
Not yet.
Okay, good.
Okay,
I'll try not to waste power. 3 a.m.
Is the ventilation good?
Ventilation still 100%.
bro, the bunny.
David,
The
you
bunny.
need help?
Needs to be all the
No,
way
not
here.
yet. Not
Bro, the bunny.
I'm stuck. Yep.
Get the fuck in there.
Do you need help?
Not yet.
Is
I
the
think
generators
Foxy's gonna go out. Check
good?
Foxy.
Are the generators good?
still 100.
Okay,
Still
good,
100.
good.
Check Foxy.
Okay, Foxy
He's not, he's still in the-
state.
Yeah.
Foxy is still in the state right now.
We're about to hit 4 a.m. We're 3:30.
Foxy's
right
out.
now.
Foxy's out. Foxy's out.
Foxy gone. No. Oh my god, bro. It's gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. The bunny gone. The bunny already gone.
Guys, I'm gonna rewind.
Come on.
Rewind it.
Wait, what? Freddy took another path.
Oh my god, bro. They're gonna be crazy insane. Okay.
Yup. I think I'm dead here. But I'll rewind.
Rewind.
Got it. Come on!
Okay, okay. I'm waiting for Foxy to come third.
4 p.m. 4 p.m. 4 a.m. right now, bro.
We're good, we're
Come
good.
on, bro.
I
We're
hear
3
you.
bars.
now.
We're 3
We
bars.
go
We're 3
now.
bars.
You need help, David. You need help.
No, not yet, not yet.
No,
Fucking blind.
We're at 4 a.m. 4 a.m.
4 a.m. right now.
Just keep
4 a.m.
Foxy out of the office. Just keep Foxy out of the office so we don't waste power.
Foxy's not here yet.
Oh,
Foxy's
Okay,
not here
bars.
yet.
power good, power good now.
We're at full bars. We're at full bars right now. Arcade. Okay, it's fine. We have.
Is
stop
ventilation
Okay,
good?
Foxy is back to his stay now.
Ventilation's
bad now.
good, right?
Yeah, 100, 100. Marionette's about to leave.
Oh gosh.
Bro, be careful the oxygen, alright? Be careful of the oxygen.
We're about to hit 5 a.m. Foxy,
Okay.
you gotta wind up Foxy.
No,
Power,
Foxy's
power,
not here.
power,
Foxy's
power.
not here.
Foxy's
Okay, he's
gone
Foxy's
now,
gone.
Foxy.
Foxy's gone.
Power! Come to power battle.
Foxy gone. The oxygen is lowing. It's not lowing.
Lowing,
right
go to oxygen. Go to oxygen.
now. Oxygen. My god.
Marionette,
Okay.
Marionette.
Bro, the Foxy.
Yo, let's go.
Bro, the. Oh,
Body,
Guys,
body,
tell
body.
me where is Freddy? Oh my days, I'm stuck.
Tell him.
Where's Freddy at?
Freddy and the Foxy.
I'm at the
go.
closet, I'm at-
Go.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Oxygen,
Go.
oxygen generator 2. Both.
Bro, go. The arcade. The oxygen is low.
Oxygen's going down. We need to go now.
Okay, I got it. Got it.
Foxy. I got Foxy.
My god, Foxy is so annoying, bro.
Wait, Freddy's here on me. Freddy's on me. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I died.
We're losing power.
I died.
Come on,
The
bro.
other generator's broken. I can't go there.
Come on, bro.
Guys, I died. Are we good?
Oh my.
Foxy's here.
We about to hit 6 a.m. right now. We about to hit 6
I'm
a.m.
stalling the doors. I'm juggling Foxy right now.
Oh my god.
Go.
Go. 6 a.m. GG, bro.
Bro,
GG,
Bonnie's
6 a.m.
here. Bonnie's here. I can't go. Open the door. Okay.
We did it.
Yo, let's go.
We did. No way.
Easy
Let's
kill,
go.
Deal with the carry.
Let's
MVP,
go.
bro. MVP.
Let's go, baby. Boot.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Us tonight.
GG.
Money.
Bro, I had to lock in. I was moving left and right looking for Chica.
Bro, where's the
Wait.
chica, by the way? Where's the chica?
I definitely lock
She
in
wasn't
on that.
stuck. She wasn't stuck with me. I was moving
stalling
left and right.
Foxy
Oh
so
my
we could
God,
stay
bro.
with Mary.
3,500. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
3.5k. Let's go.
Yeah. Got the
I got
4K run.
8,500.
Wait, what?
Because he didn't die. And he was scamping generators.
Oh,
Generators
wow. You got 8k?
Yeah.
Nah, bro.
Bro, 13
Nah, bro.
race